HVAC people!
Does it work in air conditioning mode or heat?
Heat. Air condition was working well, but the heat is not working.
Okay. Let me see.
But I want you to check, like, because I didn't really do anything from last time you came in here.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing because I really wanted to save the money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was like horrible.
That's his invoice. Cause I don't see the blower. I mean, the blower is running, so it shouldn't be the motor.
So, the motor?
The motor is running.
Yeah.
Sound like it. Okay, let me troubleshoot it. Might be something wrong with the heat.
Yeah.
Sample. I don't think it's the blower motor.
That person came here from the choice home warranty, and I don't think he knows anything. That's why I called you.
Okay.
I like to contact with you.
Nah, no problem. Sometimes the warranty companies, they'll send
anything.
Yeah, they'll send the worst tech.
And that's what he gave me. He took the 65 definitely, and he didn't do anything. And he gave me this paper for $65.
Smart gas line valve. Yeah. Okay.
And I don't believe that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this choice home warranty, they said if it's a blower, it's not gonna be covered.
All right, so I already diagnosed the unit. I got a gas valve that I'm gonna install. I already checked and see if we had gas going to it. And you can see this pilot light is on. And they tied into kind of like the same gas line. But you hear the fan, that gas valve is not open. So I'm gonna open it up and show you that I'm getting voltage to the gas valve, but it's not opening up. All right, so I'm gonna show you. You see the inducer fan motor coming on. You're gonna see the igniter light up, but I'm never getting 24 volts. Well, I am getting 24 volts at the gas valve, but it's not opening up. You see the igniter lighting up. Now we're gonna get 24 volts right here in a second. See the igniter, and it just click for the gas valve. We get 26 volts at the gas valve. The gas valve is not opening up. I'm gonna let it cycle one more time. So I believe that board going to lock out after maybe 5 tries. So it's gonna try it again, but it's not gonna open up. I'm sorry. I got the gas valve closed also. I just had it open. If the gas valve was closed, I mean, of course, if I was getting 24 volts, it wouldn't light. You see the gas valve open, and that pilot is lit on the water heater, and they share a line. There go the igniter. You hear another click. I get 24 volts here, right there. See, I'm getting 26 volts. But the valve is never opening up. I'm gonna let it do it one more time, just to show you. I'm getting 24 volts to the valve, but it's not opening. Try it one more time. Okay. It's my inducer fan motor. There go the igniter. The No gas valve opening. Give it a click. There go your 26 volt at the gas valve. See, but it's not opening. I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. Like I say, I already verified that I have gas. I did open that up, and you can tell that that pilot is on the water heater, and it's sharing the line. And you can put soap bubbles right here and crack it if you want to. Or you can hook your meter up here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and change it out. fire it up, see what it do. Let's see the igniter. Go to igniter. Go to gas valve. All right. Got heat. So we got lift off. All right, so that's what it was. Bad gas valve wasn't opening up. Go to fan. So now I'm just gonna monitor, let it run for a while, make sure the heater don't turn off on the rollout switch or anything. But I like to button it up before I do that. But the flames look good, so should be good to go. All right.